Kaya ako na late. But we're here now. Last time, nagustuhan nyo yung ambient music ko na may Christmas tunes. Naririnig nyo ba? So, nasa background lang siya. Napagod yung table kahapon. Mams, oo, napagod. Hindi ko alam. Mabigat ba ako? Ang dami ba ako masyadong gamit? I don't know. Nakakahiya. But we're here now. So, andito na tayo and we're going to do a live with Albert. Masyado bang maingay yung music ko? Let me know. I'm going to do a live with Albert. Mag-makeup tayo. Tapos, sana hindi magiba yung table. Kung magigiba yung table, kayo yung una kong isi-save. Mahulog na yung makeup, yung laptop, lahat. Huwag lang kayo. Okay? Kapit ako agad para hindi mahulog. Nakakahiya. Hiya ako. Anyway, babawasan ko lang yung mga nakapatong. Iba, lalagay ko na nga sa sahig. Ay, nako. Walang makakapigil sa pagpapaganda natin. Okay. Stress ako. Okay. Andito na tayo. Magsa-start na tayo. Finally. Lumiliwanag na rin. Ito na yung chance ko. I-invite na natin si Albert and then we're going to do something fun. Magme-makeup tayo with Albert. Masyado bang maliwanag, guys? Medyo naka-full blast yung ring light ko eh. Patayin, i-close ko na lang kaya yung bintana. Ang dami, hindi makapag-decide, no? Anyway. So, ito na. Simulan na natin. Dahil yung last time, 2 hours long, hindi pwedeng ganun na naman. So, maglalagay muna ako dito ng, ng pinned caption. Ano ilalagay kong pinned caption? Pinned comment. Maglalagay ba tayo ng pinned comment? O wag na. Maglagay tayo ng pinned comment. Make up session with
I have something really important to ask you.
copy.
Did you want some hot chocolate?
Yan. Ay, kalmado na ako. Pwede na tayong mag-start. Okay? I will invite Albert now. Tapos magla-live na tayo.
Oh my
Hi!
God, kaya naman.
Malabo daw ako. Malabo ba ako, Albert?
Medj, pero parang feeling ko internet ko yan.
Internet ko? Parang baka,
Oo.
teka, try kong lumipat sa data ha. Mas okay ba to?
Wait lang, hindi ko pa nakita yung parang rin eh, pixelated.
Ay, nako, wifi na nga lang. Bakit ganon? Dami kong problem. Alam mo, kanina,
Lexis Ud. Yan, okay na.
okay. Kasi kanina, di ba, nag-usap tayo sa phone. Hindi ko mahanap yung live. Ngayon nahanap ko na. Alam mo kung ano naman nangyari? Yung table ko naman, masisira siya. As in, gigiba. Sa dami ng gamit na nakapatong, masisira na siya. Sabi ko, grabe. Parang ang dami namang, nangyayari, hindi matuloy-tuloy yung live. Pero we're here now.
O,
Pwede
di
na
ba?
tayo
Pero
mag-start.
kaya fresh pa rin. O, di ba?
So, eto, so guys, magla-live na makeup session tayo and we're going to do kasi last time parang glam lang yung ginawa ko. Pero may mga nag-request din ng parang mas festive or Christmas na look. So,
Ah,
baka pwedeng yun ang gawin natin today.
sige. Alam mo, perfect yan. Siguro marami rin nagtatanong sa akin ngayon kung what is the best makeup look for this Christmas, no?
Mm-mm.
So ikaw, P, what do you think? What do you plan to have for your makeup look this Christmas?
Kasi pagka iniisip kong makeup look, kasi yung mga bronzy, gold, pwede mo namang gawin yun any time of the year. Pero gusto kong lagyan natin ng, alam mo yun, meron ako dito yung eyeliner na green. Alam mo yung Regina yata yun yung shade na
Ah,
yun. Diba yung mga ganon, lagyan lang natin ng accent.
the
So,
pencil.
pwede blend pa rin. Oo, lagyan natin ng, or yung mga, or kahit yung mga
Kahit ano.
glitter liner. Ang ganda nito. Pwede natin gamitin to.
Sige, ah, natin yan. Okay. So, choose your favorite. So, we can create a look na using a colored liner. P.
Oo, colored liner. Tapos, pwede nating, basta paglaruan na lang natin parang magmukha siyang festive na parang um, pang ano tawag dito, pang Christmas.
Sige, gawin natin yan. Okay. Ikaw, mamili ka na kung anong color do you want for the pencil. Tapos,
Okay,
I'll guide you kung
sige. For the pencil, meron ako ditong mga shade. Malabo ba ako, guys?
hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Okay. Ito yung mga pencil na nasa akin.
Oh, you have everything. Nagulat ako dyan.
Kompleto ba? Ito.
Do you want, we can go with the blue. We can go with, blue. Yes.
Blue. Blue. Sige, okay, mag-blue tayo. Pero parang gusto ko green.
O, sige, green
Okay,
tayo.
papiliin na lang natin sila kung gusto
sige.
nila ng blue or green. Anong gusto niyo, guys? Blue or green?
Guys, what parang it's like our viewers take control of our makeup look challenge.
Oo. Oo.
Green. May nagsabi na naman blue, may green, may blue. Ano ba, guys? Blue. Yung isa sabi blue. Dalawa blue, tatlong blue. Oh, karamihan blue P. Ay, may green.
Oh, sige. Mas
Guys,
marami yatang blue.
Okay. Ay, may green
Okay.
na blue.
Parang mas nananalo yung blue. Blue na lang, sige. Tagal na ako hindi nagbo-blue.
Actually, the thing with blue, yeah, maraming tao, blue is actually giving instant freshness right away sa mata. Lalo na kung walang tutok, lalo na yung palapit na, alam mo naman yung mga working woman, yung kung kailan during the Christmas season, dun pa compile of ng work nila sabay-sabay. So they have to look good pa rin sa pena. So, just yun yung trick ko when I do makeup kasi nakita ko puyat yung and then I up in an instant talaga. I always introduce blue color. So right now apply the blue.
Okay, nandiyan ka ba?
Nandito ko.
Okay, sige. Oh, sige. Pero nag-base na ako bago tayo mag-start kasi nung last na live ko, yun yung nagpatagal sa akin. 30 minutes akong nagbe-base. So, so may foundation na ako ngayon. pwede na tayong mag-start sa kilay, sa mata, sa
Oh,
sculpting, sa blush highlight.
sige.
So again, I will follow your lead kasi ikaw ang expert.
Bakit naman ako? Kasi magaling ka rin mag-makeup eh. Sige, unay natin yung contour. Kasi ako kasi, before I do makeup, I don't know with you, Pia. Ako kasi when I do makeup kasi, I like to sculpt the face muna, no? So basically, I'll do,
Mm-mm.
I'll use a contour powder muna. This one I'm using
Ah,
Mykonos from Tep.
Mykonos. Okay. Ito
Ano
lang.
na?
Hanapin ko yung Mykonos. Kasi, di ba nine yan? Tatlong blush, tatlong highlight, tatlong contour. Yung sa collection ng Tevian, guys.
Yeah.
Tatlo yon. So, kumpleto ako nung tatlo. Um, so, hahanapin ko yung Mykonos. Palermo. Nung last na live ko, sabi ng mga tao, pwede bang hanapin mo na muna yung mga gamit mo bago ka mag-start ng live? Sabi ko, sorry naman. Ito na po.
Yeah,
Hahanapin ko muna.
the fun of din eh. That's the fun of yung hinahanap mo pa yung mga produkto. Di ba? Parang ganun yun eh. Ako rin when I do makeup on my clients, parang hinahanap ko talaga siya eh. Parang yun yung fun. Di ba?
Mm-mm. O sige. Mykonos. Ayan, hanap ko na yung Mykonos.
Okay, Mykonos is for me personal color. But if you like, medyo mas maputi ka or mestiza, you can go for Palermo, no? And then if you are more on the tan side or darker skin tone, you can go for Morocco. So right now, we're using the upper pan, Pia, which is the bronzing, the contour powder. So I'm going to contour. Yes, always start with the cheekbone.
Wow. Uy guys, kung nasa bahay kayo, tapos ilabas niyo na yung mga makeup kit ko, niyo sabayan niyo na kami kasi sabay-sabay tayong gaganda.
Oh, nakita nyo, parang how subtle the color, it give extra depth on the face without overpowering.
Oo.
And then
Kita ko
hindi yung
na.
too warm. And then what I like to do also sometimes, I like to contour also the temple of the face, which is this part. Diba?
Ito,
Para alam mo
yung
yung
part na to.
yung face or hugis bigas pang tawag yan, guys.
Hugis bigas. Talaga. So,
There.
dapat ba para sa mga viewers natin at home, dapat ba ang pagme-makeup is pa ganon? Or dab-dab lang ba ang pagsa-sculpting? Paano ba yung right way na gumamit ng brush?
Well, actually, Pia, normally kasanayan lang yan, I like to say. Pero more on the right placement, yung pinaka-importante when you do contour, no? So, for example, I know a lot of people like to do like literally cutting the face. So, I like to do normally, I ask my client to make a biting movement. So, when they bite, whatever moving here, that's the one that I want to contour.
Bite. Pag kumagat, yung
Yes.
ganon.
Di ba there's a
Paano ulit?
joining and your jaw, that's the one that you like to create a contour or extra.
Sige.
Yan.
Nadamihan ko kasi ano eh. Tumaba ako eh. So, kailangan ko papayat sa face.
Grabe. Kumusta naman ako? And
Sige.
then sometimes, mabilisan na, what I like to do, yung parang number 3, yung ganon. So technically, you're contouring the temple, cheekbone, and bring it downwards to the jawline. So yun.
Number 3. Pag ganon.
Yan. And then
Sige.
when you're
Dadamihan
done with
ko.
the contour, hindi ako handa na step-by-step makeup tutorial pala ito. Guys, if you have question, you can ask, ha?
Mm-hmm.
And then next, I'm going to start muna with highlighters P. Ako kasi yung blush on nila last step ko siya eh. Kasi, yung highlighters and contour, the one helping sculpting the face, no? So basically, I like to go for the highlighters muna. And this time I'm using Florid. Florid kasi
Mhm.
pinaka neutral yung niya. Kasi I know a lot of people afraid of using pink undertone. But actually when you put it on your skin, it's really iba yung glowing niya. Parang under the skin yung glow niya.
Oo,
So,
alam mo totoo 'yan kasi pag kami ni-make-upan mo ko tapos, pag-uwi ko na sa bahay after ng shoot natin, 'pag tinitingnan ko siya ng malapitan sa mirror, meron nga siyang glow. Tapos parang inisip ko, "Saan galing 'yun? Paano mo ginawa 'yun?" Ito
ang
pala 'yun.
hirap i-explain yung niya, yung glow niya or yung color niya saan galing, 'di ba? Kasi this one kasi
Oo.
pero when you apply it on your skin, it looks like transparent siya eh, di ba? So ngayon, I'm taking the lower pan, which is the glass powder. So basically, this one, I like to do it sa cheek area. It's okay, guys. Do not be afraid of this one kasi Florid is the most subtle highlighter. So basically, mamaya ipatong natin siya
Ay,
with blush on. So ito yung parang bigay ng parang glass skin effect. Hmm. Yan. Nawala ako. Nakita nyo? Tingnan nyo, yung glow niya. Parang, you know,
ako nakikita
yan
ko
o.
siya.
Parang skin pa rin siya, oh. Sorry guys, walang ko foundation, char.
Eto,
So anyway,
kita niyo ba guys?
binibase ko lang siya, P. Yan o. Mas kita yung akin siguro, no? Yan. Parang lang, hindi siya mukhang highlighter. Parang mukhang skin nyo lang. Hi, Pat D. And then, after that, that's the time we introduce blush on. For blush on, ikaw na mamili, P, kung anong gusto mo.
Parang gusto ko ito yung ginamit ko last time. Paano ba i-pronounce to? Arancia, Arancia.
Arancia in, Arancia.
Arancia. Arancia.
Tia.
Arancia.
Arancia. Yeah, in Italian means orange.
Yung pala yun.
So, okay, you use that one while using the rosette naman yung suot kong on. Sige, ikaw gamitin mo yung The good thing about this one, you can choose talaga P, yung lower pan or upper pan. Pero ako, I like to mix them together.
Mix. Okay.
So, always start with the upper part of Pia, guys, makikita nyo talaga yung parang more on natural color siya. Kasi orange siya mas matte. Pero if you're looking something like glowing or healthy skin looking naman, you can go for this rosette. Tingnan mo. Hi, Irene Lim Flores.
Albert, pinalitan ko pala yung setting ng ring light ko. Tingnan mo to. Gusto mo ba to or ito? Ito? Or ito?
Ating original kanina.
Okay. Sige. Okay, thank you.
Tingnan mo guys, so yung ito kasi parang look at the blush on, parang it's coming from under your skin.
Oo,
Tingnan
totoo.
nyo. Parang hindi siya parang galing siya sa ilalim ng skin mo. Tama ba yung term ko, ilalim? Or under the skin? Tingnan mo, parang,
Hindi siya
alam mo,
mukhang,
parang itsura na parang kakatapos mo lang derma or yung parang kakatapos mo lang mag-laser, mga ganon.
o kaya yung kinikilig ka, ganon.
Oo, yun. Alam mo naman, meron isang tao dyan, guys, kinikilig ngayon. Nandun si Kuya. Char. Ay, kunyari, hindi naririnig. Oh. Pia, may question
hindi
ako.
kasi... Oh, go.
May question ako. Anong itsura ng isang Pia words ba kung kinikilig?
Ah, grabe.
Oh,
Nakasmile. Ganito. Look, ganit, yung parang ano, parang ko naka-arancia na blush on. Ganun. Ganun yung itsura.
So, guys, ayun na po. Na ni Miss Pia words kinikilig. Blush on.
Yun ang kilig face. Ito yung kilig
Oo.
blush. Yung arancia, kilig brush.
Oo. Kita sa
Ay,
mata ang
blush.
kilig. Oh.
Grabe.
Oh, kitang-kita kaya. Feel na feel ko hanggang dito, kinikilig. Oh. Ngayon, P. Sino?
Okay na.
Okay. Ako, malinaw ba ako or blurred rin ako?
Malinaw ka naman.
Ikaw medyo blurred ka, P.
Tatry kong sa ano na lang ako magko-connect.
Hello, Ibat. Ayan, malinaw ka na, P. Yan,
Yes.
yan. Ang ganda, oh. Actually, alam mo, P, wag na tayo mag-eyeshadow ngayon. Feeling ko, alam mo, ito gusto ko i-emphasize yung kilig ng eyes mo, eh. Hindi mo matatake, eh. Nandun na, eh.
Grabe. Paano to? Hindi na natin gagamitin. Ito nga yung natin, goal.
Mag-colored liner. Yun lang. Yun lang yung star of our eyes, colored liner.
Okay, sige.
Sige.
Guide mo ako. Anong next na gagawin natin?
Mag-colored liner tayo.
Okay. So, anong next step? Ito na.
Oo, diretso na yung blue liner.
Okay. Sige. Next na. Saan ko ilalagay? Sa taas o sa baba?
Sa taas tayo. Taas. As how you usually do the blue liner. No.
Hindi sa loob, sa ibabaw.
Pwede rin siya sa taas. Siya sa tight line. So, basta technically, yun yung eyeliner natin today.
Okay, sige. Sige, wait lang.
Yan. Tama ka. Tama si Pia, guys. Unahin natin muna yung sa tight line. And then after that, we work towards the outside or the above the lashes. Kaya pa?
Kaya pa, wait lang.
Ayan, nice. Ganda, oh. Yan. If you can make a little bit mas makapal konti, P. Or extend mo lang sa dulo niya konti. Ganda?
Okay.
This one? Florid. Sige, habang mag-eyeliner si Miss Pia Wurzbach po, magsisimula ulit ako mag-highlighter. I-retouch ko lang highlighter ko. Yes, Pia, ang ganda. I-make natin konting-konti extra na wingtip siya.
I-check ko siya. Lagyan ko ng check.
Yes, check siya. Sophia, UF Astral.
Meron akong ano dito eh. Sharpener.
Guys, may giveaway kami ni Pia mamaya, promise. So if you guys gusto mag-giveaway, hintay nyo na lang si Pia mag-announce po yung giveaway natin mamaya. And then please share live. Ask your friend, your family, your father, mother, brother, sister to watch. Nakita nyo guys, yung florid, oh. Ito yung sinasabi ko yung florid, oh. Parang transparent yung glow niya. Hindi mo ma-pinpoint kung anong kulay siya, oh.
Actually, gusto ko talaga yung florid. Iba yung effect niya, lalo na in person. Ganda talaga.
Alam mo, yung florid nito, yung before may Debian ako, I mix 6 products to achieve it. I remember one is from NARS, Albatross ba yan? Tapos one from Bobbi Brown na Lilac. Inahalo ko yung 6 na produkto. Tapos yung nga, sabi ko, when I have makeup brand, I should have this color, yung isang produkto lang. Hi guys!
Ayun.
Yan,
May check
nice!
na.
Super ganda. Ayun guys, so
Sana
sometimes,
magawa ko sa kabila.
guys, kayo kung takot kayo mag eyeshadows, yung daya natin is actually use a colored liner. Yun lang yung natin. Oh. Look at Pia, oh, buhay agad yung mata niyo, maging fresh, oh.
Ayun. Uy.
Bagay.
Blue eyeliner.
Oo. Ganda, Pi.
Okay.
Di ba?
Approve ba, guys?
Yes. And then to make it extra special, Pi, kailangan lang natin gawin yung look na madali nila igawa sa bahay nila rin. So ngayon, wala tayo eyeshadows. Okay? So hindi tayo mag-eyeshadows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlighter, yung Astral.
Astral.
Yes, I'm going to use the lower pan, which is the glass powder, just to make it look a little bit more festive. I take that one, and then diretso ko sa eyelid, and then pataas hanggang sa brow bone. Taasin mo siya hanggang sa kilay, P.
Uy, ang ganda nito, ah.
I-spread
Teka,
mo
magpapamusik ako.
sa spread siya. Diba? Instant Christmas look. Parang pwede siya festive. Ganda, no?
Oo, ganda.
Ganda.
Fairness. Kung ako hindi ko maiisip na gawin to, yung highlighter, gagawin eyeshadow.
Hindi kasi siya eh. Transparent siya eh. This is Astral, and I'm going to use on the other side. So yung this one kasi, hindi mo kailangan marunong blending. Kahit kamay-kamay nyo lang hanggang diretso sa kilay. Kung ayaw nyo mag-blue liner, pwede kayo mag-liner. Pero ganito. Diba?
Oo, hindi kailangan ng brush. Nakakatuwa naman. Teka, nagigigil na naman ako. Pinadamihan ko.
Simple lang. Sometimes it's simple. Whatever for you. It doesn't need to be how many steps. Look at what Pia did. Just highlighter to change shadows, no? And then to make the spatial, maybe you can just take any highlighter or maybe you can use the Regina, which is the silver pencil. And then
Silver pencil.
yes. Maybe we can use that for the waterline.
Regina, silver pencil.
Oo.
Sa ilalim.
Di ba?
Yan.
Yan, di ba? Oh. I mean, it's very subtle lang siya. It's right, no? There you go. Oh, diba? Hi Marvin Lanoy, Grace Feliciano. Yan. Okay, now from this look, saglit lang tayo mag curlash lang tapos mag-mascara na. Yun na yan kasi for today's look, I think for this season like Zoom party, so or maybe a smaller member of party because of family and bawal tayo lumabas. So what I think looks good, really good right now is how we emphasize our lips color and then make the more simple but yet defined, like what we instead of complicated eyeshadow, what we do now is just playing with texture. You can use this astral, and then you can use contour liner, and then super curve and super mascara.
Guys, malabo ba ako ulit? Or okay naman?
Okay ka sa akin? Ako malabo ba?
Okay. Medyo.
Super malabo ba ako?
Medyo.
Oy. And then, ika-curve ko rin yung sa baba, Pio.
Ha? Paano mo ginagawa yan?
Yes!
Ha?
Ng mga chinita.
Ano?
Chinita ako eh. Hindi kami gifted.
Ikaw mahirap to ha.
Kaya mo yan.
Ay, oo. Pwede nga.
So, yan.
Uy,
Diba?
hindi pala yun.
Yes.
May
Where can I buy?
nagtatanong, saan doon sa UAE pwedeng bilhin?
Guys, you guys can check www.tevianbeauty.com, and then in Middle East we already have a website there, tevianbeauty.me. For international shipping, guys, wherever you are around the world, you guys can go for tevianbeauty.com. We have international shipping. See, tapos mag-mascara na tayo, P. And this season kasi gusto ko yung style ng mascara, yung super todo, yung super twiggy, na hindi mo kailangan mag-false lashes, hindi mo kailangan mag-extension, pero mascara lang.
Okay. Ay, hindi ko dala yung
So,
mascara
I'm going to
ko.
base lang.
Ibang brand na dala ng mascara ko. Okay lang.
Okay lang, kahit anong mascara gamitin. It's important.
Sige. Iba na lang muna gagamitin ko kasi
So,
hindi ko dala yung mascara ko. Kaya nung live ko last time, iba din yung ginamit ko eh. Kasi hindi ko dala yung Tevian. Sayang.
okay lang. Okay, what I like about this one lang kasi yung sa akin maninipis yung buhok tsaka super maiksi. So binibase ko muna siya with the smaller spoolie. And then hala. tissue or cotton pads. Hi
Hala.
Ray. Alam mo, P, may lang ako konti. Tingnan mo, nabobother ako kung ganito yung yung brush. Normally ginagawa ko sa lahat ng mascara ko. Hindi ko alam kung notice mo yan sa mga kung tuwing ginagawa ko yung makeup mo. Binibend ko siya
Oo, pinibend mo. Oo.
kasi mas madali i-apply siya. So yun. If you guys can make your mascara 6 to 7 layer, go. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung yung mas sexy yung dating niya, parang medyo paklam konti.
Pati ilalim?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, Luke Instagram. Hi, Jimmy Banlasan. Hello. Ako na mag-greet sa mga fan mo. Oh, ang ganda ng mata mo, P. Tingnan mo, look at the silver eyeliner, oh. Parang from far, it bounced light lalo na yung sa gitna, oh. Ang ganda. Ang galing mo talaga mag-makeup.
Pasado
gusto
na
ko
ba?
yung yung blush on, P.
Dagdagan?
Oo, para lang siya to create a mood. So gusto ko yung dito lang, pero not drunk blush, dito lang concentrated dito lang sa
Yun
side.
pa rin yung around siya.
Yes, same pa rin, pero siya, sa side lang siya para ma-create na parang create lang ng mood. Yan. Hi, Kati Chan. Yan. O, yung ganda, oh. Look nito. Guys, alam mo, gayahin nyo yung look na to, guys. Gayahin nyo yung look na to para sa Christmas. O, tingnan nyo, oh. Ganda. So, ngayon, lang, ako, since hindi pa ako touch lang ako ng kilay. Patawa lang ko yung kilay ko. Pero gusto ko a bit natural lang sa akin. Patawa na yung kilay mo, no? Kilay mo.
Hindi ako nagkilay. Nag-ano lang ako. Nag-gel lang.
Gel. Ako, I'll just use this lang, yung tin, para lang, puno lang siya konti.
Tingin mo kailangan ko pang i-fill in yung brows or hindi na?
Yung bandang dito lang konti, P.
Okay, sige. Meron din ako niyan, yung tint.
Diba?
Ay.
Ito lang.
She.
Yes, she rin yung gamit ko.
Ito siya guys, oh.
Oo.
Hibla na siya.
It's actually,
So para pag ginanon mo, mukhang buhok.
oo, parang it's filling the gap lang. So, it's creating or it's giving the illusion that you have a fuller eyebrow. Actually, yung parang harap, if you can do like this, yeah, oh. Yung parang patayo. Yan. Pero dapat feathery stroke. Yan, oo. Hi, Cassie. Yes, this is eyebrow tint from Deviant. The color is She. So if you have like me, it's really good. And then Tia also is good using me. But if you are color hair or color of nagkukulay ng book, you can go for her. And then you are very Lisa are very fit naman, you can go for herself. Kulay siya na, right? O, diba? Mabilis nating makeup.
Parang merong
So ngayon,
mukhang mas
moving
makapal
on
yung hair.
to... Ay, super.
Hintayin ka namin, naglalag lang.
Si P.
Ay, nawala si Albert. Ay, yan, wait. Nawala si Albert. Wala. Yan.
Ayan, no. Nalaglag ako.
Okay lang.
So yun, ang ganda na yung itsura na yan, no? Yung look natin today. So basically, ano lang, clean everything, clean eyes, just like play with texture on the eyes and colored. And then now for the lipstick naman, dito yung exciting tayo. So I know, sige, sino yung kaya maghula kung what is the best lipstick for Christmas? Ano normally ginagamit niya sa Christmas pa, lipstick?
Usually mga red, di ba?
Oo, totoo yun. Yun yung ano, festive color, no? Pero this time, gawin natin ng ano, siyempre yung color, yeah, yung claim to fame.
Yes. Alam mo, ang ganda nun. Favorite ko din yun.
Pero gawin natin siya makaiba siya, guys. I-base natin siya muna with Queen Peach.
Okay, sige.
Base natin siya with Peach.
Green peach. Ito siya, guys.
Yan. I-base mo lang siya muna, P. Base mo lang siya. And then, after that, we use the claim to fame. Ganda mo, P. And then what I'm gonna use the claim to fame. And then I'm going to apply it sa inner part of the lips lang, P. So parang a little bit like stained lips siya.
Ay, oo nga. Ba't di ko naisip gawin to?
Alam mo, parang healthy lips lang, parang kinakagat-kagat mo na yung labi. Ganun lang yung peg. Yan, oh. Mm-mm. And ano yung mga ganitong color kasi, guys, kung ayaw nyo gumamit ng mga very colorful na lipstick, look at what Pia did just now. Based with something, and then yung striking colors like time is claim to fame. Taluop lang siya.
Oo. Alam mo yung first time kong i-layer yung dalawang shade. Usually kasi I wear it on its own, hindi ko siya pinaghahalo. Pwede rin palang ganito, no?
Oo, siyempre naman di mo hinalo kasi hinalo mo na yung mga kulay na yan bago natin i-produce.
Oo.
Na-achieve mo na yan. So anyway, ang ganda ko. Pero if it's kind of tricky for you to achieve this kind of technique, guys, you can use the claim to fame straight on your lips naman talaga eh. Para mas bolder, mas ano. Pero look at how glow yung binibigay ng mga ganitong kulay oh. Parang instantly blooming tingnan, instantly na healthy tingnan yung skin nyo. Guys, nagusto nyo ba yung look yung ginawa namin ni Pia ngayon? Mag-thumbs up kayo kung
Oo.
gusto.
Yes, mag-thumbs up kayo guys kasi nababasa namin yung mga comments nyo. And, ayun, ang saya. Ang dali lang Kasi pag ako nagme-makeup sa sarili ko, ang tagal. Pero pwede pala na ganito lang.
Diba?
Kasi nasanay ako dun sa beauty queen makeup na sobrang kapal, tas ang tagal. Pwede palang ganito lang.
Ma-detail ka lang mag-makeup, mahilig ka, pay attention into detail. Ganun ka, kasi you're into perfection. So, it's okay, hindi naman mali yan, which is good. Pero syempre, I mean like, sometimes you have a little time lang to achieve a certain look. This is one of the look that you can just achieve with a super much lesser time. No? O yung daming, ang daming nagta-thumbs up na tuwa naman ako.
Yay! Thank you guys! Tsaka madali lang siya. Half the time lang. Mm-mm.
Ay, so, i-recap natin yung ginamit ni Pia po sa mata niya is actually Astral, yung highlighter lang. This one. Pero sometimes, P, if you want to go extra, you can just put it also here,
Ay, oo, sige.
para
Hindi
makakonect
ko
siya
tatanggihan.
a little bit extra lang. Pero kung hindi, maganda na yung gawa mo rin ng ganon. Yan kita yung kinang mo.
Ay, ang ganda nito pang Christmas. Natutuwa ako.
Guys, kung hindi nyo kaya carry blue, you can go for the green, you can go for brown, black, any color that you want to use. Pero yung placement ng eyeliner, parang extend a little bit like what Pia did. Pero alam nyo, super matutuwa kayo sa mga sa mga sale ng Tevian this 12/12. Super Pia, can you?
Ay, ayun. Hi.
Bumalik
Albert,
na ba ako?
ayun, bumalik ka na. May magahay lang. May magahay.
Sin
Bakit? Hello.
Oh my God!
Si Albert.
We saw each other a few days ago, right? last week.
Yes. How are you?
How are you doing?
Do you like my makeup? Look, we did like a holiday glam with
Yeah.
a blue eyeliner.
Oh wow.
Do you
Yeah.
see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the eyeshadow is like icy,
Oh, I can see.
right?
Yeah. It looks very beautiful.
Thank you.
So it's gonna
Oy, approve. Okay, he's lagging. But we're not lagging. I don't think we're lagging, but he's
Oh,
lagging.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm on the Wi-Fi though. I think he's lagging. But
On the Virgin one or on the
on the Vodafone.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, anyway, hi guys. And I just wanted to invite Jeremy to say hi very quickly to this live. Oh baby, come down a bit so then they see you. There we go. And do you like it?
Yeah, so we've got what, 650 people
Yeah.
tuning in.
Uh-huh.
Happy holidays to you guys. Thank you for looking at these amazing comments.
Yeah, there's so many. But
Hi, Cecile.
so we did the holiday glam, which took half the time where I usually do my own makeup because I do like a full glam. Like remember what I did yesterday?
Yeah.
It was like an intense look,
Mhm.
and then this is more of a like if
Softer.
we're going out or going on a Christmas date. Or
Which we will be really soon. Yeah, it looks amazing.
Thank you. I know I have a mess here. I know. Yeah, it's a mess. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted you to say hi to everyone. Because
Well, thank you guys all for tuning in. It's nice to see some people sending nice comments. Thank you.
I'm gonna check. Oh yeah, Albert's back.
Okay, you want to have him back in?
Yeah, I've been back in. So before you go, you can say bye to him. Just waiting for him to come back. It's funny how when you arrive, viewers show up.
Yeah, you don't know what to do.
Yeah. We're just staring. We're just staring at it. Yeah, more people joining because you're here.
Yeah, we have more fans coming in. Thank you guys. Yeah, loads of people joining. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, guys. Ang lamig na dito. It's getting cold here. Really cold. And we only have about 5 hours of sunlight, which means I only have this window time to do all this content, right?
Yeah, they don't even make up now.
Well, Albert is still trying to connect.
Okay.
But you're okay, right?
Yeah.
You have a meeting at.
Reason to put that on someone.
Okay. All right. Oh, there he is. Hi, Albert. Narinig mo kami?
Hi. Sorry, the internet is really, quite different here.
No worries. Well, I wanted to say goodbye. I have to run to a meeting, but it was nice to see you, and thank you for doing the live with Pia.
Yes, nice to meet you. Nabubulol ako, Pia, ha? Nice to meet you, Jeremy. Hope to see you in person soon.
Yeah, very soon. Very soon.
And he loves the makeup, by the way. So approve. Date
Yeah.
approve.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, approve na niya.
Hindi ako handa, Pia.
Nagulat ka ba?
Ay,
Sabi ko
wala
may
na naman
surprise
ako.
guest eh. Sabi ko may surprise guest eh. So, nag-hide lang siya.
Kaya nga hindi ko akalain kung sino.
Tsaka
Iba
nagustuhan
talaga
niya
yung kilik mo.
Pinakita ko sa kanya ng malapitan talaga, in-explain ko yung blue eyeliner, tas parang dinescribe ko yung eyeshadow like as icy na eyeshadow, ganyan. Tas nagustuhan niya, kasi kahapon nang ginawa kong makeup look, although hindi ako nag-live kahapon, nung isang araw pa, kahapon, nag-makeup din ako ng sarili ko lang, hindi ko ni-live. Tapos sobrang beauty makeup yung ginawa ko, as in yung full pack. Tapos nung nakita niya ako, sabi niya, mas gusto kita na konti lang yung makeup mo. Tapos ngayon nakita niya to, sabi niya ang ganda daw. Pwedeng pang date. So dapat pala, hindi ako masyadong manggigil, dapat ganito lang.
Oo, di ba? Pwede na yung ganun lang yung makeup, oh. Parang magugusto ng mga ano rin. Magugusto ni Kuya yan eh, Char.
Kaya nga.
So, kumusta si Kuya?
Okay naman siya, busy din kasi lahat ng work niya sa Beautiful Destinations online, lahat ano sa tapos yung working oras pa, yung oras niya is yung New York time pa. So konting adjustment din pero okay naman. Pareho kami. So yung office
Kumusta
niya
ka?
sa loob, tapos yung office ko dito. So magkahiwalay kami na kwarto nag-work.
Sige, tanong ko yung isa pa question. Kasi feeling ko na nakikita ko yung mga tao kinikilig rin eh. So, kumusta kayo ni Kuya?
Okay naman kami, super malapit na kaming mag 1 year kasi New Year kami naging official. Tapos meron siyang surprise sa akin para sa New Year. May trip kami, may pupuntahan kami pero hindi pa niya kinukuwento sa akin kung saan. So super
Nawawala talaga
excited.
internet ko, guys.
Ayun, naririnig mo ba ako? Pero naririnig mo ako?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ayun. So, ayun, parang,
Yes, naririnig kita.
so, meron siyang surprise sa akin for anniversary na trip, pero hindi niya pa sinasabi kung saan. So, abangan ko na lang. Balitaan ko kayo.
Ay! So, magkikita lang namin yung mga photo nyo.
Oo.
So, ayan na guys. Kung gusto nyo makakaroon ng isang Jeremy, claim to fame lipstick na kayo.
Ay, oo. Alam niya lahat nung Tevian na to. Alam niya yung mga lipstick ko. Alam niya. Nung nakita nga niya kanina, parang as in familiar na siya. Kasi palagi ko pinapakita sa kanya, babe, ito yung bago naming lipstick, ito yung bago naming product, ganyan talaga. Tapos parang, parang approve siya. So itong makeup look na to, gusto din niya actually kanina, kakasabi lang niya sa akin. So pang date daw.
Di ba? Mas ano siya, mas achievable siya para not only for you, pero sa lahat yung mga tao na hindi marunong masyadong mag-makeup. So, it's super easy, no? Parang liner lang, highlighters, blush on, lipstick, tapos. Di ba? So, yun ang you to check the Tevian that Pia is using. We're gonna have 12-12 sale starting tonight. 12 midnight. Yun, tandaan na guys. 12 midnight guys, starting sa Lazada, Shopee, and for those of you stayed outside the Philippines, don't worry because we already think about you guys also. So you guys can get it also from tevianbeauty.com because we deliver also sa any part of the world. So kahit sa US kayo, sa London kayo, or kahit sa Middle East, you guys can check that one. And starting 12 midnight lang. And then, lalo na yung mga colors ni Pia, yun po yung laging una mawala, yung una magsusold out. So, paunahan na lang. And by the way, it's gonna be the biggest sale in Tevian. Alam nyo naman, Pia, bihira na kami magsa-sale. Pero since 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, we constantly giving sales. Lalo na yung last 11, 11 sale, we donated the profit to the typhoon victim also. And then for this 12, 12, it's gonna be one of the big sales that we're gonna have also because we want to let people feel that we love them. So we're giving unbelievable discount. So yung claim to fame, yung dati 750, ngayon 488 pesos na lang siya. And then yung basically yung lipstick, super huge discount na guys. Kahit anuman kulay yung gusto nyo, lahat sinisiguradoin namin na naka-discount siya. And then yung mga eyebrow, yung ginamit namin kanina, we have a bundle, yung 3 products into 1 bundle sa 895 pesos lang siya. And then yung cheek, yung ginamit namin yung blush on, And then yung highlighters and contour, it's only 697 pesos na lang siya. So, yun nga, you guys can get it from Lazada, Shopee, and of course, sa mga tao sa abroad, don't worry, we also have in tevianbeauty.com for international shipping.
Yun. Marami
Tama
na
ba?
nagtatanong kasi sa
Para
akin.
masyadong
Pero,
madaldalata ako.
hindi. Kasi dapat malaman ng mga tao na may discounted yung prices niya lahat ngayon for the 12/12 sale. So, i-add to cart mo
Yes, and
nila.
perfect timing for everyone to buy for their Christmas gift to their loved
Oo.
one, to their sister, mom. Diba? Especially bawal na tayo mag-party ngayon. So, at least giving something to your loved one, make them feel na may tao na care sa kanila pa rin, no?
True. Oo. Tsaka ang sarap maggawa ng mga iba-ibang look pag holiday. 'Di ba? Kahit nasa bahay ka
Tama,
lang.
oo.
Ito nga live lang eh. Hindi naman
This
ako
is
lalabas pero ang saya pa rin. Nakaka-feel good din siya.
Pero dahil diyan dapat lumabas kayo mamaya. Sayang naman yung makeup mo.
Baka dito lang muna kasi sa 15 pa ako pwede lumabas dahil yung pag galing akong abroad.
Ay,
kailangan
quarantine.
Oo.
Ay, oo.
Okay
Sige,
lang.
mag-ano na lang kayo. Mag-date na lang kayo with kuya sa loob mamaya.
Oo. Mag-take out na lang
Okay
kami.
guys, for those of you who's obsessed with this look, i-recap lang namin yung eyebrow tint kanina. We're using eyebrow tint from Tevian in She. And then eyeliner, we use the pencil liner in blue of Tevian pencil liner in Belladonna. Coquette. Coquette. Sorry, mali yung name guys. Coquette. And then sa waterline ni Pia, the silver one, she was using Regina. And then sa eyeshadow naman, we don't use any eyeshadow. We just use Astral. Pati ako rin, nag-Astral rin ako as a replacement of our eyeshadow. So basically, it's just highlighters lang. And then for the cheek naman, Pia was using Arancia. And then I use naman Rosette para mas parang under the skin lang siya. And then for the contour, we both use Mykonos. Parang very natural siya, hindi kita yung parang very harsh line yung contour niya.
Oo.
And then for the lipstick, Queen Peach with a touch of Claim to Fame sa inner part. Oh, ang ganda, oh. So, yun.
Yan.
Oh my God, Pia, nakakaingit na sa London ka pala ngayon kasi tama ba ako?
Oo, London.
Oo, kasi parang nami-miss ko yung winter na feeling char.
Masarap yung winter na feeling kaso parang madilim kasi. So, ang gloomy, parang may
Yes,
ilang hours
mabilis
lang
madilim,
ako
no?
ng sunlight. Oo, yun lang yung ayoko. Pero so far, okay naman. Masaya. Hindi naman malamig.
I think Pia,
Char.
I think they're excited to know yung giveaway mo for
Hi.
today.
Oo, yes. So we're doing a giveaway sa mga nakaabang pa rin from the start until now. Ito na yung giveaway na gagawin natin. I'm giving away. Alam niyo naman that I have 5 lipsticks with Tevian. 5 sila. And we're giving away 5 sets of the 5 lipsticks. Tama ba, Albert?
Yes.
5
Yes. So
sets.
isang winner gonna win the 1 set. So we will have the 5 sets of the lipstick. So
One
one set of
winner
lipstick
lang.
per winner. Oo. No, one winner gonna receive 5 lipstick. So we gonna have 5 winners. So 5 sets nga.
Okay. So 5 sets of the 5 lipsticks. So 5 yung mananalo, tapos yung bawat isa sa yun, 5 yung makukuha. So anyway, ang kailangan yung gawin, mag-post kayo ng picture nyo, i-share nyo itong live na to sa IG story nyo, tapos mag-post kayo ng picture nyo and include in the caption 5 reasons why lipstick empowers you or changes your mood or makes you feel confident. Like, why do you love lipstick? Ganon. So 5 reasons why. And please don't forget to follow Tevian, follow Albert, and follow me on Instagram para ma-avail nyo yung prizes at mahanap din namin kayo. So yun yung mga kailangan nyo gawin, guys. Again, we're getting 5 winners. Each of the winners will get all 5 lipsticks. And then all you have to do is share this live on your Insta story, post a picture of yourself, including in the caption 5 reasons why you should get these lipsticks and why it makes you feel confident. Don't forget to follow me, Albert, and Tevian. Ayun, sana klaro.
Oo. Sana klaro. And give us time until Monday. Monday, we will announce the 5 winners.
Yes. So, any questions,
Ayun na nga,
guys? Baka may mga questions sila. Hintayin natin.
Mm-mm.
Tingnan natin. Okay naman? No questions? Okay. Naiintindihan naman nila.
Paano yung mechanic ng giveaway niya?
Anyway, pwede naman ako mag-story mamaya, tapos ipopost ko dun sa story yung mechanics natin para din mabalikan nyo siya at magawa nyo.
Yes. Yan. Oo.
Okay.
Nawawala internet ko. Ayan na, Pia. Sorry yung sa internet ko. Masyadong babagal internet dito. So I'm not gonna take so much of your time anymore. Thank you so much for inviting me to your live. Thank you so much for being so game with it. And we love you all. Ganda-ganda mo. Iba yung ganda mo. Iba
Thank
rin
you
yung ganda
din.
kong kinikilig, no? Char.
Thank you din. Sige.
Yeah.
Until the next live ulit, Albert. And thank you for all the
Take care, ha?
advice. Yes.
And stay beautiful.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Ayan, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that little makeup session that we did. I will just do a short recap again of the mechanics of our giveaway. Kung pinanood nyo to from start to finish at hinintay nyo talaga kung anong mechanics ng ating giveaway, what will happen is if you get selected, you get all 5 lipsticks. Okay? We'll choose 5 winners. All you have to do is share this live on your stories. Mag-post kayo ng picture nyo, including the caption. Ilagay nyo sa caption kung ano yung 5 reasons kung bakit paano nagbibigay ng confidence sa inyo ang lipstick. Anyway, and also follow me, Albert, and Tevian on Instagram. So, I will be posting the mechanics kung sakaling narito kayo or parang di clear yung yung guidelines ko. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Mas maiksi tong live na to than before. Last time, 2 hours yun. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this look. Sobrang dali. Kahit yung mabilisang lalabas ka lang, kayang-kaya mo siyang gawin. And you don't need to be a professional or an expert to be able to pull off this nice holiday look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna sign off now kasi kailangan ko pang mag-add to cart sa Shopee. And mamayang 12 midnight, sabay-sabay tayo mag-check out. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye!